About this item: Timex alarm clock. The Timex 231 clock radio lets you personalize your sleep routine with a variety of features. Two separate alarms can be used independently to wake to radio or buzzer. Set one alarm for weekdays, and the other for weekends. Clock radio. Enjoy AM/FM radio with digital tuning and auto/manual station scanning. Store up to 20 preset radio stations. 10 AM/10 FM. Operates on 120V AC house current. Auxiliary speaker. Play music through the wide range. 2-speaker. When you connect an audio device to the line and jack, set a sleep timer between 10 to 90 minutes while you listen via radio or auxiliary volume switch. The buzzer alarm starts softly and gradually gets louder. Adjust the built-in volume switch for a soft or loud alarm clock. Perfect gift. This small digital clock makes a great gift for any occasion. Visit the Timex brand store to shop our selection of alarm clocks for bedrooms. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: Timex alarm clock. The Timex 231 clock radio lets you personalize your sleep routine with a variety of features. Two separate alarms can be used independently to wake to radio or buzzer. Set one alarm for weekdays, and the other for weekends. Clock radio. Enjoy AM/FM radio with digital tuning and auto/manual station scanning. Store up to 20 preset radio stations. 10 AM/10 FM. Operates on 120V AC house current. Auxiliary speaker. Play music through the wide range. 2-speaker.